Are you ready to experience a cooking revolution like never before? The COSORI Pro III Air Fryer Dual Blaze is here to transform your kitchen into a culinary haven. In this comprehensive review, we'll uncover how this premium kitchen appliance can make your meals not only delicious, but also incredibly convenient. Say goodbye to preheating. With the COSORI Pro III, you can start cooking your favorite dishes right away. No more unnecessary waiting means you'll enjoy your meals faster, making it perfect for those busy weeknight dinners. Compared to its predecessor, the COSORI Pro III is a premium version that takes taste to a whole new level. Thanks to dual heating elements, precise temperature control, and intelligent temperature algorithms, this air fryer ensures your food comes out crispy and juicy every time. Versatility is key, and the COSORI Pro III delivers. It offers 12 easy functions: air fry, bake, broil, roast, keep warm, reheat, chicken, steak, seafood, veggies, fries, and frozen. Plus, you can customize and save 6 additional cooking functions, tailoring them to your preferred time and temperature. The COSORI Pro III features a generous 6.8 quart basket, measuring 9.4 by 9.4 by 4.8 inches. It can comfortably fit up to 17 chicken wings without stacking, ensuring even and thorough cooking. Say goodbye to unevenly cooked dishes. Connect the COSORI Pro III to the free VESync app and unlock a world of convenience. You can control your air fryer remotely, monitor cooking progress, and even activate voice control with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Effortless cooking has never been this easy. Stuck in a recipe rut? The COSORI Pro III offers hundreds of creative and easy-to-follow online recipes from certified COSORI chefs. Whether you're whipping up an appetizer, an entree, or a dessert, you'll find the perfect recipe to satisfy your taste buds. Use the free VESync app to scan various types of frozen foods for easy-to-follow cooking instructions and view your food's nutrition facts. It's like having a personal sous chef in your pocket. The COSORI Pro III is designed with your convenience in mind. The BPA-free, FOA-free basket and crisper plate are detachable, non-stick, and dishwasher-safe. Say goodbye to the hassle of scrubbing pots and pans. In conclusion, the COSORI Pro III Air Fryer Dual Blaze is a culinary game-changer that combines convenience, versatility, and exceptional taste. Whether you're a busy professional, a home chef, or someone who simply enjoys great food, this air fryer will elevate your cooking experience. Ready to revolutionize your cooking? Click the link below to explore the COSORI Pro III Air Fryer Dual Blaze and unlock a world of culinary possibilities. Prepare to be amazed by the delicious results. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey through the COSORI Pro III Air Fryer Dual Blaze. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews, and share it with your fellow food enthusiasts. Happy cooking!